A recent survey said that the average employee tenure is being estimated to be around 3 years at IT World, and corporates are finding it increasingly more difficult to retain talent. Stickiness is something that is much deliberated on, rarely understood, and even more rarely successfully incorporated. Having said that, I see Perfios as many people who love working here and who have stayed on long enough to make Perfios their second home or even their first if you must. Today, I have Kuldeep with me. Kuldeep is from the data services team and he is one of the most reliable members of his team. Hi, Kuldeep. Tell me a little bit about your journey and how it's been here for 4 years and more.
Thank you for having me here. It's been 4 years since I've joined Perfios, but it still feels like I've joined recently. I still remember the day I was getting interviewed. There were a lot of questions that were going through my mind, but Vikas and Swaroop cleared all my doubts. Then I joined Perfios. So, journey wise, I've seen Perfios grow in revenue, office space, and employee. As I'm P094, I can tell that. At the time I joined, there were only two offices, K1 and K2. Now those are being replaced by many new offices. I don't even have count of. Career wise also, Perfios has provided me various opportunities like training exercises, certification courses. Right now also there is training going on from AWS. Perfios has provided me experience where I can work on multiple fronts at the same time.
All right, for the unversed, P094 just means he was a 94th employee to be joining Perfios. And today I can tell you without giving you names and numbers, we have phenomenally grown by leaps and bounds. Okay, Kuldeep, tell me what made you join Perfios when you come out as a college graduate? What are those things that you look for that made you choose Perfios over your other offers?
Sure. I joined Perfios as a fresher, and when you are going for an interview or for a company, you have a checklist with you. For me, the checklist contains two items. One of them was startup, and the other one was obvious one, good pay. Perfios checked both the things from my list, and I like Perfios because it was filled with energy, open mindset, responsibilities, welcomeness, and it also provides liveliness work environment.
Okay, sounds like fun to me. Okay, what makes you fond of your work at Perfios? What are those things that don't make you cringe coming into work each day?
So one of the major key point here is collaborative culture. You can see this at solving problems. Whenever there is a customer problem statement, all the team comes forward, and when that happens, all the ideas are brought together. No matter you are junior or a senior, all the ideas, no matter how it is done or what, all the ideas are welcome. We have two, three programs as well. One of them is internship program where we encourage internship people to give ideas and work on those. At the time, we also have bounty programs internal.
Okay, Kuldeep, tell me something. Well, you've joined as a fresher, you've worked here for 4 years, and you're looking at a good many years ahead in Perfios. Tell me the things that are most important for you at work, and does Perfios have them?
So two of the things top of mind is new challenges. It keeps your team motivated. It keeps you like out of the monotonous cycle. Second is team bonding and fun activities. So these are scattered over the month. Something like you have monthly parties every end of the month. There were cricket matches earlier and football matches earlier.
Okay, so if I were to summarize all that you said, a collaborative environment, a real time view, and to see the impact of what you do, a hierarchy free environment, and a fun environment is what makes Kuldeep feel motivated to work at Perfios. All right, one thought, one dream, one team, it is for sure. P for Perfios and P for people here. Thank you so much, Kuldeep, for talking to us, and I'm signing off now.